Hey guys!
Hey.
It's Megan and Sean Purdy from
Traveling
Our
Our
Purdy
Purdy
World.
World. We're back.
We're back. And today we're going to talk all about the Carnival Festivale! Woo! Ooh, ooh, ooh.
Sorry. It's exciting news.
Yes, Carnival's newest ship debuting in
2027.
Follow along and we will tell you everything that you need to know.
Let's go.
Let's go. Begins sailing from Port Canaveral in spring of 2027. So tell us more about the Festivale because we are dying to know.
Okay, so for the Festivale, again, it's starting from Port Canaveral in spring of 2027, and this is the fourth ship in the Excel class, so that's really nice.
Mm-hmm.
There's going to be new zones, which will start in decks 6, 7, and 8, which is a lot of it is going to be music themed. So one zone's going to have creating music, another zone's going to have transformative lighting, and also deck 8 will have the outdoor vibes of music performances too. So that's exciting. So what else is going on with the festival?
So another exciting thing is the festival is going to have a lot of connecting rooms.
Ooh.
Yes.
That's nice.
Yes.
That's nice.
So as you probably know, Carnival sails more families than most any other cruise ships. And Carnival Festivale will feature 1,000 connecting rooms, which is really exciting.
Wow.
That is nearly 70% more than any other Excel ships.
Wow. That's nice.
Yeah.
That'll be nice.
So that'll be cool. So then tell us, or do you want me to tell you? Tell us about all the outdoor activities.
How about you start?
Okay. There's a lot of different outdoor things that are going to be different than other ships. There's going to be a new outdoor zone. It's going to be called Sensation Point. And it is going to be the most family-friendly water park at sea, is what they say. And there is no longer going to be the Bolt.
Which is the roller coaster.
Roller coaster.
I think. Yeah.
They're getting rid of that. So let us know, did you ever even go on the Bolt? If you did you like it? Was there ever lines? Because when we've seen the Bolt, I mean, we
don't ride roller
we don't-
coasters, so we
that's
never
not
went
our
on.
thing,
That's not our thing.
so we can't give a review on that. But so then Waterworks is going to be called Carnival Waterworks Ultra.
Ooh.
So it's going to feature 6 slides, 4 of which are new to Carnival, including 2 which are going to be raft slides.
Oh, wow.
Oh, so that's exciting.
That'll be exciting.
Yeah.
I always wanted to try the water slides, but
I like raft slides. I don't like going in the tubes where you can't see out. I like to get on a raft and just go down, and you feel like you're a little bit safer.
well, I'm sure there'll be a little bit like that'll be interesting. I don't know. We'll see.
That's not a water slide, so no. And then there's also going to be a lot of things for little kids on this ship. So the water slides are for guests as little as 3 feet tall. And then there's going to be different splash pads with kids slides, spray toys, baby splash areas, all kinds of really fun stuff.
Yeah, it sounds like it.
Yeah.
Also, it looks like there will be a treehouse-inspired elevated trail and toddler areas.
Oh.
So that at least you can have plenty of shaded areas for your little ones to walk around it and still be outdoors and have some fun activities. So that'll be nice.
That's nice.
Also, it looks like during the Sensation Point there will be evening events that extend the water park hours. So now you can actually do nighttime activities with the water slide, where before they would shut it down. So now that'll be a nice little change of pace a bit.
Yep.
Also, I like food a lot too. So also the chief culinary officer for Carnival, also known as Mr. Emerald Lagasse, is working with the food and beverage team to kind of revamp the food a little bit. They're taking away Chibang in this ship. I've never been to Chibang. I can't remember.
Yeah, we did.
Did we go to
We've
Chibang?
been on Chibang on the celebration.
I don't remember.
It's the Asian restaurant.
The Asian, I think it's Asian fusion Mexican restaurant. I think it was.
Yes.
I do remember that now.
Yeah.
So they're taking that away for this ship. This ship, they're gonna try something new, but also Guy's Burger Joint, the Pig and Anchor Smokehouse, and the Big Chicken from Shack will still be available on the ship.
Yes.
So that'll be
that's
nice.
exciting.
Let us know if you've ever tried Chibang too. That's what you thought.
Yes.
let us know in the descriptions, or if you guys are excited, what you're excited for, or anything what you guys want us to know about. It's really exciting times coming.
Yes.
Can't wait.
I can't wait.
I'm excited.
I'm very excited.
I'm excited.
So what's our question for the day? So we had a couple questions.
Oh, maybe we got a couple of questions for the day.
So we had, have you been to Chibang?
Mm-hmm.
What did you think about it?
Yep.
Have you ridden the Bolt roller
Bolt
coaster?
roller coaster.
What did you think about it? And what are you most excited about for
Yeah.
it?
I think there's lots of questions.
Lots of questions. And throw it in the comment section and let us know what you think and answer those questions. And
Love to hear from you.
Alright guys, thanks so much for watching. We hope you really enjoyed it. We hope you learned something. And we'll be seeing you in the next video.
Remember to like and subscribe.
Yes.
See you in the next one.
Alright, bye guys. Bye. Mwah. That was good.
Yay.
Yay.